Okay, I have a lot of packages to unbox today. So some of them were semi brands, some I bought with money I earned playing games on my phone, and some came from Amazon Haul, where items were literally under $2. I've got skincare, kitchen and home finds, bath goodies, and some really fun surprises. So let's see what's actually worth it. Here's everything we're opening today. Honestly, I forgot what half of this is. We'll start with PR packages, then the Amazon Haul cheap finds, and at the end, I'll show what I bought using money from playing games on my phone. All right, first up we have this 10-liter hot and cold beverage dispenser. This one looks really sleek right out of the box. I like the stainless steel finish and the clean design. I think it will be a great addition to my kitchen since all my appliances are stainless steel. It's designed to keep drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 24 hours, which makes it great for parties, family gatherings, or even everyday use at home. It also comes with a leak-proof spout, foldable legs, and should be easy to set up and pour drinks without making a mess. This size is pretty solid too. 10 liters means you can serve a lot of people without constantly refilling. Overall, this looks like a practical and useful addition, especially for events or large gatherings. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. This is actually really cool. It's a golf theme mug and it looks like a mini golf green. This is such a fun and creative idea. They sent 2 of them, which is perfect because in my house sharing is still work in progress, okay? So hopefully this means fewer breakfast arguments and more happy mornings. You can use it for coffee, cereal, snacks, marshmallow, or just to make breakfast a little more fun. The mug feels sturdy, the packaging looks nice and gift ready, and I really like how playful and unique it is. All right, moving on to the next package. And this one, I'm actually really excited because it's a skincare. And honestly, it came at perfect time. So this is the Collagen Eye Patch and PDRN Retinol Eye Patch by Abib. And I've been really looking forward to try this because my seasonal allergies just ended and they completely dried out my eye area and skin. So right now I'm definitely needing a full skin reset. The package looks really nice and clean. I'm all for it. It does have a matte surface, to which I actually love. And I love trying new skincare, especially when my skin needs hydration and recovery. At this point, anything that helps bring moisture and life back to my under eye area is welcome in this house. I'm going to start testing these in my routine and see how it performs in hydration, soothing, and overall skin recovery. I'm definitely going to be doing a more in-depth review very soon where I'll be sharing results, how it feels on the skin, and whether it's actually worth it or not. So definitely stay tuned for that. And let me know in the comments, do allergies mess with your skin too, or is just me? All right, moving on to the next package. Oh, this one is skincare again. And actually, I'm really excited about it because it's an affordable anti-aging option. So this is Lily and the Naturals Retinol Face Cream with hyaluronic acid, and I've been wanting to try something like this for a while. It's designed to help with fine lines, wrinkles, and overall skin texture. And honestly, anything that helps me look a little more rested and less tired is welcome in this house. Another thing I really like about this one, it's a budget-friendly option, which is perfect for ladies like me who want to improve fine lines and wrinkles without spending a fortune. I'm definitely planning to use this one for a full month and actually track my progress with before and after results so we can see if it really works. Because let's be honest, skincare only counts if we see results, right? I'll definitely be adding this into my night routine and maybe even a little during the day. But we'll see. Retinol can make your skin extra sensitive to the sun, so don't forget your SPF, my friend. No one wants any irritation, okay? So stay tuned for the full 1 month update. Also, let me know in the comments, are you team retinol or are you still scared to try it? All right, skincare lovers, here is the next product I'm super excited about. These are GU Toning Polish Pads, a professional grade Korean skincare treatment featuring snail mucin, niacinamide, a unique peptide complex, and Centella sciatica. They are designed to help with dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, acne marks, redness, basically everything that your skin might be asking for a long season of stress, allergies, or sleepless night. And get this, each pack comes with 100 pads, so they last a long time. That makes it easier to use them daily or even to spot treatment without worrying about running out too soon. Now, full disclosure, these pads aren't the cheapest, but they do go on sale often, and which makes it a little easier to justify the splurge. I am planning to use these for next week or two and see how my skin reacts, especially after my allergy season left it dry and irritated. I'll come back with a full depth review, including before and after results, so you know if they are worth adding to your routine or not. So far, I mean, they're definitely hydrating. If you tried Korean toner pads before, drop your favorites in the comments, and I'm always looking for suggestions. Okay, next package, and this one is for all of us who hate ironing, because honestly, who has time for that? This is a handheld steamer, and I'm actually excited about this one because anything that saves me time is a win in my house. Look at this, nice and compact, lightweight, and perfect for quick wrinkle fixes on short dresses or even curtains. It heats up quickly and helps smooth wrinkles without dragging out the iron board, which in my opinion should stay retired forever. This works well. Getting ready might finally be less chaotic, and my outfits might actually look planned instead of mom grabbed whatever was clean. All right, next up we've got these 6 super cute Infun 1-inch telescoping binders, and honestly I didn't even know my desk needed this much organization until now. These aren't your grandma's heavy bulky binders, nope. These are lightweight, space-saving, and super flexible thanks to their telescopic spine. That means whether you've got a few papers or a whole collection, you can customize it how full it is. Genius, right? Plus, each binder has customizable front cover, so you can get artsy and label it however you want it, color-coded, theme-based, or just throw in a cute meme, your choice. And the best part about it, I can share this with all 3 of my kids, so they each have their own binder to help keep school papers and activities organized. Maybe finally a way to maybe reduce some of the chaos around here. And now the fun part. These are the items I bought with money I earned playing games on my phone. Yes, actually games on my phone. So technically these are basically free because I use game rewards and Amazon haul deals to get them. And honestly, it makes shopping way more fun when you know you didn't spend your regular budget. Most people don't even know this exists on Amazon, but there's a hidden section where items drop to under $2 every Monday. And that section is called Amazon Haul. And it's basically a page full of super cheap finds, mostly small, everyday items, but with some really good deal mixed in. Here's the part a lot of people miss. Every Monday, select items get marked down to under $2, but here's the catch. You can only buy up to 3 items per order on those prices. Those super low prices don't last fast. Once the week is over, the prices reset back to normal, so if you see something you like, you kind of have to grab it fast. Now, you'll mostly find their small household items, accessories, random useful gadgets, everyday essential. It's not big ticket stuff, but for cheap finds, it's honestly kind of a gold mine. Now, a couple things to know. Deals change regularly, quantities can be limited, and the best stuff sells out fast.
So if you like finding random cheap stuff or just want to save money, it's definitely worth checking out the Amazon section on Amazon, especially on Mondays. Now, quick heads up, prices change constantly, so what you're seeing on the screen right now might already be different by the time you check them. And that's actually the whole point. You can literally see how prices go up and down depending on when you catch the deal. Now, if you see something that sparked your interest, I'll make sure to link all the products down below so you can check them out yourself. For example, this iWatch band right here, I got it for $243. That is a steal. And I absolutely love it. Or this super fast charging cable. It was only $213. Can go wrong with that. I might actually get quite a few more as they come in different colors and they are super fun. Honestly, I didn't expect these kitchen sponge holders, organizers for your sink would be such a great quality for what I paid for. It does come with self-adhesive, waterproof self-adhesive. They are so cute and the quality actually is pretty good. I'm definitely ready for that little upgrade for my sink. I feel like I need to elevate my wardrobe with some one-piece lace teddy stuff, and the next two pieces actually caught me really by surprise. They both are very good quality. Since I am a size XL, they actually are really stretchy and super soft on the body. There is no doubt in my mind I'm going to be trying and wearing them out pretty soon. These were definitely a steal. The next piece of clothing also took me by surprise. This long sleeve top is so soft. I still can't believe it was under $1. It's stretchy, lightweight, and so cute. Now, the next one is not from the Amazon haul, but it's definitely a little treasure. If your drawer drawer looks like a tornado hit, here's a quick fix. I started using the stick-on strawer holder, no drill, no tools, just peel and stick. Now my stores aren't always hide and seek every time I need one. They've got their own little home, small hack, but it saves me from the daily "where did that straw go" struggle. All right, this one is one of my favorite purchases. It's a small standing mobile desk with wheels. I got this so I can move around the house and film in smaller spaces, which is going to be making content creation so much easier. Because sometimes the kitchen has better lighting, sometimes the living room does, sometimes kids take over everything. So having a mobile desk is actually a smart little upgrade. Okay, the cherry on the top, the things I'm most excited about, ta-da, is the next one. This is my dream electric desk. It can lift up and down, so you can use it sitting or standing, which is amazing for long editing days, filming and working from home. I've wanted something like this for so long, you guys, and the fact that I was able to get it using Game Rewards money, it makes it so much better. So technically, gaming just upgraded my entire workspace.
If you want, I can show you exactly how I earn money playing games on my phone and turn it into any purchases really. It's actually a fun and simple way to get small items, home updates, and even bigger things like desk without touching your regular budget. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a step-by-step video on that. Just comment word games. And honestly, this is probably one of my favorite parts of this whole unboxing because it shows that with little creativity you can upgrade your home, your workspace, and your life in small, smart ways. That was today's unboxing. Let me know which product you want a full review on first. I'll be testing these and sharing more videos very, very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. Bye!